What if I told you that almost every smart device around you, from your smartwatch to your car, contains a tiny computer designed for a single purpose? Welcome to the fascinating world of embedded systems. An embedded system is a specialized computer built into a larger device to perform a dedicated function. These tiny processors handle the hidden logic, managing everything from simple tasks to complex real-time operations. At the heart of it all is the Microcontroller, the brain of the system, working alongside memory for storage and execution. Sensors act as the eyes and ears, gathering data like temperature or pressure, while actuators translate those decisions into physical action. This flow of information, from sensor to processing to output, is the core principle of how these devices operate in perfect harmony. From the brakes in an electric vehicle to the precision of industrial automation, embedded systems are everywhere. They power life-saving medical devices, manage global communication satellites, and enable the robotics of the future. Whether you're interested in Arduino for prototyping or the robust capabilities of the STM32, there are platforms for every level. Key skills like embedded C, digital logic, and communication protocols like UART and SPI will open doors to careers in firmware engineering and IoT development. Embedded systems are the hidden intelligence behind modern technology. Whether it's healthcare, automobiles, robotics, or space exploration, embedded engineers are shaping the future. Start learning today, build projects, and become part of this exciting industry.